Dedicated to your dream, even if it's just one. Do it for your fans, even if it's just one. Dedicated to your dream, even if it's just one. Do it for your fans, even if it's just one.
Peace and love. Thank y'all for tuning in to my channel again. Today I want to come to y'all and give y'all an option for a simple bug spray that you could use at your home. You don't have to use Raid, you don't have to use Roundup or any of those products on the shelves that's toxic and really just harmful to the environment. You'll be surprised where remnants and little microparticles, molecules of this bug spray be all over the place. It's not good for the environment. It's not good for your children. They playing around. Your animals, if you got animals, it's not good for it. This is simple and effective. Simple and effective. Everyone should be using. There's no need for orchid and none of that stuff. You use some peppermint essential oil. You're going to use cedarwood essential oil. And you're going to use pine essential oil. Alright? And you're going to want to get you something like some 7th generation dish detergent. Or you could use something like Dr. Bronner's. Alright? So, you also want to get you a sprayer, like a gallon sprayer. And you're going to use that to put all this stuff in. Run some water lightly. The dish detergent is really to help it stick. That's what it's for. It's a sticking agent. And these essential oils is what the bugs don't like. Roaches, I mean, pretty much any insect, but particularly the ants on this case. I have another one that I like to do for the roaches. This is pretty good for the roaches, but I got another one I like to do for roaches. I have a chicken coop. So at one point I seen some roaches back there, and I used this spray, never seen them again. Ants, they like to try to build up on the close to my home, and so I use this whenever I see them. And when you come back and actually move the ant bed, there's no ants in there. That's how I know. That's how I know this works 100%. So come down a little bit. Don't get too close. I want you to still catch all this. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 20 drops of each one of these. Got some pressure in there. We're gonna put some 20 drops of each one of these in here. I don't have that dropper right now for this. I'm not going to get it. I'm just put a little bit. That'll be good right there. All right, and then these are droppers, so I can put exactly 20. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 13, 14, 15, 18, 20 of those. That was the cedar wood. So we did pine and cedar. Now we're going with the peppermint. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's 20 of those. It's okay if you go over a little bit. That don't matter. But then you want to get your about 1/4 cup of this. All right, I'm gonna just use what I got left in this particular bottle because it's already a little bit of solution in here. So I'm gonna put that in there. Just about 1/4 cup. All right. And then what you're gonna do? Follow me over here, baby. This way. Make sure you keep an eye on me and the camera and the bottom. Kim, turn that water on for me. Actually, we're gonna come right here. Slowly, just a little bit of pressure. Just a little bit of pressure, not too much. Because when you're filling this up, turn it up a little bit more. Make sure you got me in the picture too. When you're filling this up, yeah, that's good. You don't want a high pressure. Turn it down a little bit. That's good. You don't want too much of high pressure because you don't want to make it sudsy. We're not trying to make suds. We're not trying to make suds. We're just trying to fill this up.
Put bubbles in it.
Turn it up a little bit.
Sure.
I got it all the way down to just a tiny bit. Alright, once you get it pretty much full, thank you, my son. Then you go. I like to shake mine up because I like to just mix it up. So I shake it up. You can twist it if you don't want to shake it, just to, make it sudsy, and then you get everything mixed around real good. All right, once you do that, with these you gotta pressurize it, so just pump. All right, we had a little bit of space run out, so I just wanted to show y'all this stuff is good enough that you can actually spray it on your hand and it won't do you no harm. In fact, it'll probably do some good for you. It's essential oils. But like I said, once you get it pressurized, then you just spray it like regular bud spray. And I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna tell you a little hack. Here, you can just spray it over here. I'm spraying it on this one right here. And that's it. They're gonna be gone. They always leave. Sometimes they come back, but we just spray them again. That's why the Orchid Man keep coming out to your house. The Orchid Man don't come one time, they put you on a monthly plan. Here's your monthly plan right here. I'm telling you. You buy the essential oils, they gonna last forever if you're using 20 drops at a time. If you buy all that I prescribe, the dishwashing detergent, the essential oils, pine, cedarwood, and peppermint, that stuff gonna last you years if you're only using it for this purpose. Alright, so yes, we just definitely keep it sprayed by the door areas, right here, places like this, and that's pretty much it. Look, you can actually, excuse me son, you can actually use this inside your home too, but if you got ants in your home, I'm just telling you a clear shot way. If the sun is in your eye over here, we'll come over here. A clear shot way, use undiluted pine essential oil. If you got counters, you can literally soak a paper towel in pine essential oil and wipe it wherever the ants is coming. Trust me, they're gonna be gone. They're gonna be gone. You can even mix it in water and spray it. You can, like I said, wipe it near them and then just leave the paper towel sitting in that area, and they're gonna vanish. They're gonna vanish. They can't stand, they can't operate in that pine essential oil. It's impossible. They're pheromone animals, so the strength of this pine essential oil disrupts their ability to communicate, and it's also poisonous to their systems, and so they're gonna just flee from the area. Okay, so and then your issue is solved. So this is just, once again, a home remedy for bug spray. Cut out orchid, cut out peskin, or whatever they call it. I never had a bug company ever. I never ordered one. I'm a do it myself type of guy. I like to figure out how can I stop paying others, do it myself, and do it more environmentally conscious. All right, thank you for tuning into my video. I'm gonna keep bringing different videos with different things, spiritual, nature, health, all of it. Thank y'all for tuning in. Peace and love, and see y'all in the next one.